The 5 themes of social studies. History. History, a record of the past. How do people study history? Is it important to study? Does history relate to the present at all? Is it possible to erase history? Why would someone want to erase history? Geography. Geography, the study of people, places, and the environment. How do we study geography? Government. Government, people and groups that make laws, make sure they are obeyed, and settle disagreements about them. What are examples, types of government? Who works for the U.S. government? What are government agencies and departments? Economics. Economics, the study of how people use their resources by producing, exchanging, and using goods and services. Resources such as natural, human, and capital. Natural resources are materials supplied by nature, such as air, water, soil, trees, forests, minerals, natural gas, petroleum, coal, and wildlife. People. Some examples for goods and services. So human resources are the people who work to produce goods and services. So anytime you've gone to a restaurant, you've been in a hospital working with doctors and nurses, firefighters, anyone that is providing a service for you. Capital resources, man-made goods. So any materials that don't occur in nature. Products that are made. Culture. Culture are beliefs, customs, laws, art, and ways of living that a group of people share. Examples of culture include the greater community, knowledge and stories, language, traditions and rituals, techniques and skills, tools and objects, the arts, food and drink, and values.